Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about how to set up Expiration Reminder to track employee certifications. So right now I'm in the home screen here. This is the dashboard that you get when you log into the application. So if you're going to track employee certifications, the first step that I would recommend that you do is going to your document types here. So let's set up the type of documents you're going to be tracking. You probably already have this set up when you sign up for an account during our onboarding wizard, but if you have more document types that you need to add, you can just simply go here in document types, click on add a document type, and let's say for example I need to track airport badge. This is something that it expires and my employees need to track those. Okay, here I can configure how often I want those reminders to go out. So I'm gonna say, you know what, 30 days, 15 days, 5 days, and 1 day. They're fine for this one, but I need another one for the 60-day mark here. So I'm gonna add 60 day, click save. And after I click save, then the system will add that document type airport badge here, okay? With the information that I have, I can type some renewal instructions in here that would go out with the automatic notification that goes to the employee. Here's the reminders, okay, and everything else looks good for me, so that's enough. If I go to document types here, you should see that it's gonna show over here. Here it is. Okay, that's it. You created your document types. Now the second step is to add your employees. So if I go here to people, I'm gonna have a list of all my employees. You can import your employees using a spreadsheet if you needed to, but right now I'm gonna just create a new employee. So let's pretend that I'm going to create a new employee here. Let's say Arlona Smith. Okay, let's say Arlona's email is this one. Okay, I want Arlona to receive notifications via phone, so I'm gonna add a phone number to her there. Okay, and I'm gonna say she is an employee. Let's click on create, and the system, there you go, it will say that Arlona was created, and Arlona should be somewhere around here at the bottom. You know what, here is Arlona. I can also look for her here in the search, but here's Arlona. Okay, if I click on Arlona, I can see her information is over here. Okay, but I'm gonna click on view record so I can see the full record for Arlona. Here she is. Now, because I have the full record for Arlona here, okay, I see that the system already created some missing expirations. So let's go ahead now and create a new expiration. I'm gonna click on new expiration here. Let's look for that airport badge. There you go here. I'm gonna say it expires in May or June. Let's put June here. I can upload a picture of that certification, but for now, this is fine. I'm just gonna click create there. Let's put now a submission date. Let's put this one and let's click create, and as I click create, the system will just create that airport badge in here. So it's very simple. Okay, you can just keep adding new expirations as needed for the employee. The system will then schedule those notifications to go out for you as required. Okay, so let me show you also another way that you can add this expiration. So I'm gonna go back here to my people. I'm gonna look up for Arlona. Here she is. Okay, I can see all of her details here. I can click here on Arlona, and I can also add expirations right from this screen. So I can just click add here, and I can choose what I'm gonna track for Arlona. Enter the expiration date in here. Okay, and that's it. Just put the information, click create, and this will add. There you go. So it will also add in here. So you don't have to go into the screen. You can also do it here very quickly. So many options in there. Very simple. You can see like it's a 3-step process. You first go to your document types, create your document types, create your employees, and then create those expirations. That's it. Very simple. So subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep releasing more videos every week, so you can learn more tips about Expiration Reminder. Bye.